Hey, welcome back. My name is Shearrow from RealtyOhio Real Estate. One of the brand new communities that's coming right here to Sunbury, Ohio is called Rolling Hills. It's in the Big Walnut School District. It's on a former golf course. This is some beautiful land. We're going to throw the drone up a little bit later, show you some of the literally rolling hills that are involved, and it's just starting to take form. They're just moving around some dirt, putting in some utilities, so this will be really first knowledge for our clients. If you want more information about this, I'll just tag it in here. You can call me directly at 614-554-7705. You can also swing out to my website, explorecentralohio.com. So now let's get the drone up and take a look at this beautiful, beautiful new community that's coming to Sunbury. Okay, so this beautiful community is literally just getting started here in Sunbury. So as I take the drone up, you can see that the land kind of has a gentle roll to it, just like you'd expect to see on a golf course. And that white pipe down below is going to be where the utilities start to come in. Now as I pan around here, you'll see these beautiful ponds that once upon a time ago collected golf balls are now going to be beautiful backdrops for brand new homes. And then as I take it up a little bit, you can see the water tower in the background for the village of Sunbury. So if you have interest in this community and want more information, give us a call at 614-554-7705, or you can visit our website at explorecentralohio.com. And please excuse the background noise. We're standing on the roadside. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.